Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell the Framer components step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have a Framer account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for framer.com. When you log in into your Framer account, you can either create a new project or you can open an existing project. As you can see over here, I've opened my existing project. So you can also design a UI element that people might want to use. So I have currently created a button, but you can also create buttons, navigation bars, hero sections, cards, pricing sections. Just make sure that it is something that people might want to use in their project. Now, once your design is ready, you just have to simply select your element. Afterwards, go to the layers panel. Now right click on the element. Here the first option would be of create component. So you just have to simply click on the create component option, and then you need to provide the name of your component. So let's say I have selected the option of component preview, or I can also give it the name as component. So after giving the name of your component, simply click on the option of create. So this way your design will become a reusable component. So as you can see, its interface is looking something like this. Now, after making the component, in order to make it more valuable, you can also create different variations of it. So variations or variants allow users to switch between the different types of styles. So in order to create variants, simply select your component. You can also click on the variant option here on the top. Afterwards, you will see the variant option right next to it. As soon as you click on this plus icon or this variant icon, the copy of your button will be created over here. Now you can make changes into this particular copy. You can basically first of all change its color. So let's say I want to give it a different color. Now you can also change the text and you can also change its size. Again, you can select the second variation and click on the option of variant, and now you can again make changes into the third variant and you can make it something like this. So after creating the variants, you can also add effects on top of it. For that, click on the option of variant, and then we have the option of hover and pressed. So they have given you two different effects over here. So when you click on the option of hover, whenever someone basically hover over to this particular button, it is going to hover. So after selecting it, you can make sure that the component works on both the desktop and the mobile. So this is going to make it more useful for your buyers. After doing this, you need to create a simple landing page inside the same Framer project. For that, click on the pages option here on the top. Now click on this plus icon right next to the pages. Afterwards, click on the option of the new page, and then you just have to first of all rename your page name. So double click on the pages and give your page a name. So let's say I'm going to give it a name as a landing page. Afterwards, you need to design a simple showcase page. Your landing page should include a preview of the component, the features list, the pricing selection, and the buy or the download button. So this page is going to help the users understand what your component does. So once you are finished with your landing page, simply click on the publish option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you just have to basically copy this particular link from here. After copying this particular link, you just have to open a new tab. Over here in the new tab, you need to simply search for Framers for Creator or Framer Partner Program. So when you land here on this page, click on the option of Become a Creator. Now you need to log in here with the help of your Framers account, and the dashboard is going to look something like this. Now hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of components. Over here, click on the option of new component. Now you will be shown this type of form in front of you. So this is where you need to submit your component to the Framer marketplace. So you need to start filling out all of these details. So first you can start with the thumbnail. So this particular thing is important in order to attract your buyers. Afterwards, you need to paste the components URL over here. To get this, simply go back to your framers project. Over here, go to the assets tab. In the assets tab or in the assets panel, you just have to find your component. So here the component is available. You just have to right click on it and then you just have to look for its URL. So as soon as you click on the three dots right next to your component, you are going to see the option of copying the URL. So you need to copy the URL from here, then come back on this particular page, and in the component URL section, you just have to paste the URL which you have just copied. Now, after filling out all of these details over here, simply click on the option of publish in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. The Framer team will review your component. After approval, your component will be listed in the Framers marketplace and users can then discover and purchase it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.